Keep applying there anyway. We're still waiting on a reply off my uncle.
We will shortly be arriving at Dublin and please mind the gap.
How do you want to finish out your trade with like small company anyway? That's what I'm